I'm gonna be solving this Rubik's Cube without any hands. Before I get to that part, I'm gonna build down from 5 fingers to 4 fingers to 3 to 2 to 1 until I have none. Let's get started. We're gonna start off our 5-finger solve with this scramble. Right? Let's start inspecting. Alright, here we go. Off to a pretty bad start, but I'm gonna have to take it. Now this is my scramble for the 4-finger solve. My strategy is to take away the least useful fingers in solving, which in this case is going to be my little finger. So I'm gonna start off with my thumb, my index finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger on each hand. So I'm doing it with 8 fingers. Now let me start inspection. Alright. Oh, it's getting a little tough to do these turns without having the extra grip. Right. I'm too focused on this, I'm not getting the look ahead. Oh, the A-perm is difficult. Right, there we go. Sub 40, barely. This is gonna be my scramble for the 3-finger solve. I'm going to try and use my thumb, index finger, and middle finger for this. The middle finger offers grip, as does the thumb, and I need the index finger for the U layer flicks. So let's start inspection. All right, here we go. Okay, it's already getting kind of difficult. Oh, might have accidentally touched my ring finger right there. Again, oof. This is harder than it seemed. All right, soon. Oh. Uh-oh. I can't do a G. Oh God, I can't remember this. Oops. Uh-oh. All right. Okay, I'm stopping that. I'm gonna do a rerun on that because I messed up on that G-perm. It's so difficult without the muscle memory using my other fingers. So I'm gonna try it again, and next time if I get a hard PLL case, I'm just gonna use 2-look PLL. Alright, this is the new scramble, and I'm gonna try and do it with 2-look PLL in case I get a bad case. So, here we go. Oh, X cross. Oh, okay. $36, let's go. This is less than the 4-finger solve. All right, not too bad. Moving on to 2 fingers. This is gonna be my scramble for the 2-finger solve. And my plan is just to use my thumb and my index finger. So I'm losing the support from the middle finger. Okay, this is gonna be difficult, but let me start inspection. All right, there's not much I can look ahead here. Okay. Ooh, this feels so awkward. Uh-oh. I can't even hold in the layers. It's so hard to do these U moves if I can't hold the other layers with my middle finger. All right, last pair. I'm using the table for support. This I'll use a lot in the next solve with 1 finger, most likely. Okay. J-perm. Okay, not bad. Almost sub 1. I'll take it. This is gonna be the final solve until the hands-free solve. I'm going to use only 1 finger from each hand, and I think I'm gonna use my thumbs. They seem to offer support and can be used in turning, so it's the best I've got. Now let me start inspection. And yes, I will use other fingers for inspection because I can't actually pick up the cube with 2 thumbs. Right. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Oh. Okay. 1 cross edge done. My average is faster than this 1 cross. Oh. Ow. This is putting some strain on my wrists. Oh boy. How do I do this? Okay. Oh. Just gotta line up this last edge piece. Okay. Come on. Or I can just use my palm a little on this. It's not cheating. I'm not using any other fingers. All right, there we go. Cross is done. It only took a minute. My goal is to get sub 5 minutes on this. Wait, what did I just do? I'm confused. Oh, all right. It's hard for me to even remember what I was doing. Just gotta make this red pair. Wait, where'd the piece go? Oops. Oh God, I lost the piece. Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. 2 minutes in, and I'm putting in the first F2L pair. There we go. Oh. Oh boy. now I'm worried that my timer is gonna stop after the 10 minutes before I finish this solve. Okay. Oh, did I mess anything up? Oh, thank God. I thought I screwed up really bad for a second. I'm just using my left thumb for support, sometimes my palm. It's the best I can do. Okay. Now this is not too bad of an F2L case. It was relatively easy, only took 2 minutes. Alright, there we go. F2L done. Now for OLL. This is where it's gonna get hard because I'm gonna have trouble remembering the algs without the muscle memory. Okay. There we go. OLL. I might actually, oh, okay. RB perm. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this in one look with only 2 fingers. So I'm gonna do 2 look. Let's do a little JB perm here. Ooh, okay. Now, just a U perm. Oh, wait, I can't remember this. Oh, all right. There we go, so close. Uh-oh. Wait. Yep. There we go. Almost sub 5 minutes. That was tough. And now we're gonna do the final solve that you've all been waiting for, the hands-free solve. You guys must be wondering how in the world am I gonna do this without using my hands? Well, there's a special technique that every cuber should know. And now you're all about to find out what powers I have as a cuber. All right, let's begin inspection. All right. Here we go. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, a 4-second PB solve, hands-free. Thank you guys so much for watching. It would really mean the world to me if you liked and subscribed. Make sure to check out some of my other videos there and there.